We make things simple for you. Organising your replacement car, organising your assessment, managing your repair, organising delivery of your vehicle back to you.
So you've had a car accident. Firstly, you make sure that you check that everyone's safe and not injured. And then what you do, you call us, and then we'll swing into action. We ask you to gather the other driver's details and photograph the scene of the accident and the damage to both cars. We'll appoint you with a personal claims manager, the person who is with you all the way. We go through the entire claim with you and determine your rights to claim. We then assess the damages to determine if your vehicle is repairable or a loss. While your vehicle is being repaired, your dedicated claims manager will keep you updated through the whole process. Once your vehicle is completed, it comes back to us where it goes through a quality check. Your car is then given a full wash and detail prior to being delivered to you.
You've made a friend by accident with CrashClaim.